Yeah, this is Terry, Department of Zoology, Jaffna University. Today we are going to learn about Elisa. In the first part of the video, we have to only concentrate what is the principle. So if no one knows what is Elisa, here I have written the abbreviated form. I'm going to just expand this, nothing else in this video. So just concentrate, you will get an idea. Okay, we know this is abbreviated form, going to expand. The first one is E, that is enzyme. So we know there is an enzyme involved in this technique. So this enzyme is involved with what? It's another question raised. Okay, I'm going to expand the second one, that is L. L means linked. Linked. So this enzyme is linked with something else. You know what is linking? You link it between two people. So this enzyme is linked with something else. What is that? That is, we call immuno. Basically, we know what is immuno. Immuno means very common thing. We know that's antigen antibody reactions. So we know that is antigen antibody reaction called immuno. Okay, so there is an enzyme linked with either antigen or either antibody. So here the enzyme is not linked with any antigens, but that linked with antibodies. So these antibodies, how it get linked? The answer, I'm going to expand S, that is sorbent. That is sorbent. Sorbent means, it's very simple, we know absorption, adsorption. Absorption, we know, if you take a wool, it dipped into a water, the wool absorbs the water, that is absorption. Then what is adsorption? It's very simple. You take a magnet, try to lift a metal nail, it will get attracted, it get attached. That attachment we call adsorption. So this kind of adsorption. So this enzyme is linked with antibodies with the process we call adsorption. Very simple. What is assay? I'm going to write A, that is we call assay. Sorry. Assay. Assay means something to determine the quality or the ingredients of that particular experiment. So here, what is the ingredient we are going to use? Enzyme. What is the ingredient we are going to use? Antigen antibodies. So this is the basic idea of enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. All together I can put forward in one simple diagram we call we know the structure of antibodies, right? So this is the structure of antibody. Here in the surface something will be attached, that we call enzyme. We call enzyme. So all the explanation is under one diagram. The enzyme is linked with an antibody for what? To detect something. So what we can detect from here, for example, if someone having HIV, maybe you or either me, better I say it's me. Okay, so if I have HIV infected, obviously what will happen? Our body will produce what? Anti-HIV antibodies. Am I right? Anti-HIV antibodies. So if I want to detect whether I am a positive or negative, what I can do? I should know whether my blood or my serum having this antibody. So very simple. For that only, that's the reason what we do. We take a micro titer plate. We call. I will show you real time these things. In this plate, certain antigens will be fixed. Certain antigens will be fixed here. These antigens we call HIV antigen. Now we know antigen antibody reaction is like a lock and key, whether a specific isotopes are there, it will come and attached. So in case I take my serum out here, I added here, what will happen? If I have the anti-HIV antibodies, it will come and attached here. So by looking at this, we can simply say I am HIV positive. So this is one of the application over here. So anyhow, this is the basic idea. I didn't go in depth. Maybe upcoming videos I may teaching you like what is direct ELISA, indirect ELISA, competitive ELISA and sandwich ELISA. So once we go through all those things, you will get a clear cut idea. So far, thank you.